Hello everybody, it's Zack and I, and we're using our Keurig coffee maker. It says it's not ready, so it's boiling. It is Christmas time. Jesus has been born. I thought he was born in April, but whatever.
Yeah. That's weird.
Is it boiling? This is where Dad comes through. Why? Hey, coffee!
Please, right? What are you doing?
Not ready!
We got Rev. More power to the Rev. Amplified power muscle builder. Using donut shop. We like the good old donut shop.
Cutting yourself, Zach?
Yeah, you know, those emo days. No, actually,
That's
that was
creepy.
wrapping presents. And
What is that? Herbal tea?
I set my present on top of our computer desk and it's huge, and it fell back, so I tried to reach back, and there's like, you know how they have those backs on the computer desks, and they're like real thin on all like stuff like that? Well, I reached back, and there's like, nail head was coming out. I was like, oh, herbal tea. They use that in Africa. Uh-oh. God, menu.
No, it says brew. Press button.
Brew size, though. Oh. Oh, God. Oh, I don't know if it's, here, maybe we should put this in here.
Yeah, do that.
Okay, just leave it. No, just leave it.
Oh, here, do a little
That's
cup
it.
and see if it'll work.
That's it.
Start it, press brew. Press it. Wait, you have to hold it.
No, just push it. I need one that size too. Does this one fit? No. Wait.
Why is it not brewing?
I don't know, it's angry. Two idiots trying to use a brewer.
Easy.
Brew temp.
192, that's fine. Do it. That's a full size cup.
Why ain't she brewing for me?
If anybody knows how to do this, go subscribe. It's ready to brew.
Two idiots tried to do a Keurig. How
That
funny.
fits.
What? Yeah, that fits too. Alright, good. Here's your lid. Is this the lid for that? Is this the lid for that or for this?
I just want me some coffee.
Me too, dude.
We have a cup, we have a coffee maker, and it says ready to brew. Let's do it.
Here, you can have this one. I want that blue one. Where's the lids to these cups? Just brew, you wage. Should we open this thing or not? Alright.
Okay, everybody, we're done. This is a failed attempt to...
Got it!
You had to pick your cup before you do it.
Yes.
It's getting angry.
Just come out, Thorman. Come on.
It's coming!
Uh-oh.
Oh, God, it's everywhere. It's coming out so fast.
Oh.
What?
It fogged up the
So fast, so fast. Oh, God. The windows are getting foggy.
A cop once told me it was ratchet.
There
You brew coffee? I'll say.
it is. Turn off my iPod.
Where is it?
Well, no, just turn off the music.
Does your container have your name on it?
No.
Madison's does.
That Dad.
What is it, Bob? I don't know. Searching for the Is it right here?
It's done.
It'll be good stuff.
Not ready.
Pick.
Said not ready.
Revving it up.
We're having coffee shop.
Rev.
Yeah.